make sure I stay broke. They're gonna retire all the 30-year men so they can hire the little young bloods all over again. They can pull a fast one on us. But you see, I'm not stupid. I got to prove to myself that I can survive. I ain't gonna let nobody skin me alive. I'm gonna take all the madness and all the BS, and I'm gonna take it all to the wall. I'm gonna throw it all up against the wall. All right, I'm gonna take it all to the wall. I'm gonna take it just up against the wall. Let's throw it all against the wall. Politicians lying. The whole world is trying to go gay. People getting crazy every day. You know, some damn fool might push a button and blow all this away. Oh! Every time I see somebody on the street, they scared to death. I got to prove to myself I can survive. I can take it all. Cause things ain't getting no better. They only getting worse. But listen, when things get bad and things get worse, that's when the hell we get going. That's the only thing we know how to do. Yes, I'm gonna prove to myself that I'm gonna take all the bull. Cause that's all they're giving us. Hot air. Talking that yucky dock stuff and expect us to believe it. That's right. To the wall. With all of it. Let's go to the wall. Let's take it all. To the wall, to the wall. That's right. Once you take it to the wall, you got it all on your chest.
desprecias porque vivo en un barrio pobre. Tú bien sabes que es herencia del destino. No he podido conquistar nada en el mundo, ni los sueños que tuve desde niño. Has vivido todo el tiempo en la opulencia, pero nunca has conocido un buen cariño, pues tus padres descuidaron de tu vida, y por eso no te culpo ni te riño. Si algún día necesitas de un amigo, ven conmigo donde estoy y yo te enseño. Voy a cantar de alegría a mi tierra mexicana. Who knows this part? México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti, que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan a Lincoln Park, que digan que estoy dormido y que me traigan aquí. México lindo y querido, si muero lejos de ti. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate the support and the love for everybody out there. May 30th, do not miss it. May 30th is a free out there.
Don't know. Every time